Businesses come and go every day, in some cases without ever being noticed. You might wonder what it is that gives a business staying power. A local Antigonish man has certainly found the key to keep his clients coming back. Danny Harvey has our next story.
Highland Multimedia has become well known across North America as a multi-talented web-based company. This popular business venture is the brainchild of Antigonish entrepreneur James Smeaton.
Highland Multimedia is a full-service communications and media firm. We began in August of 2002, and we go and provide to people things like website design, graphic design, web hosting, and also consulting services. Some of the services that people use us for are things like to design a business card. If they want to have a logo designed, we handle that. But we also go and do full-blown website implementations, which is to say we sit down with our clients, learn about what their needs are, and then we go and work with them to develop a plan that matches with their existing branding efforts, and then we go and try to translate that to the web. But a lot of cases, people like what we do in the web, and they want us to go and work with them to handle some of their print promotions as well. So you'll see us work on things such as brochures, business cards, logos, letterheads, and also just general marketing promotional advice.
Being the president of Highland Multimedia, James has his work cut out for him.
My role largely goes and entails managing all my staff that I bring together on an ad hoc basis for my projects, but also I work as the lead designer, which is to say first I try and understand where the client wants their particular organization to be branded towards. So that's usually a particular consumer group, usually has a certain feel associated with it, and I basically try to go and find the colors, fonts, and sort of symbols that really help represent their business.
I guess it'd be November of 2005. I ended up with an injury. I was living with James at the time, where he was running the business out of the house, and I ended up with an injury that kept me off my feet for a few months, and I had been dabbling in graphics before that, and he decided to throw a few projects my way. Well, here I'm a graphic designer. I handle anything, sort of a broad title, anything from creation and placement of graphics, video, animation, sound, in any kind of medium, from websites, posters, flyers, business cards.
Highland Multimedia is in its 5th year of operation, and the client list for James and his staff is growing rapidly.
Some of my clients just in this building alone are the McLeod Group. I've worked with him to go and build a series of branded web pages for 5 different nursing homes across the province of Nova Scotia. I've also worked with the Women's Resource Centre to go and redesign their website to give it a modern feel and hopefully attract that much more attention from the local community. Worked with the Chamber of Commerce to go and handle their Doers and Dreamers project, which was basically a 4-page layout where I go and work with all the ads that are placed on those 4 pages to make sure that they get all their ads submitted correctly and laid out properly. And then I work with businesses like Student Computers, for example, handling some of their promotional work and business cards. Well, I think that most communities now are starting to realize the need of being media savvy. A lot of various companies have been working to go and get their message further, given the amount of media saturation that's happening around almost every community nowadays. So you really need to go and employ somebody like Highland Multimedia when you want your message to really stand out from so much of the other communications that's out there.
If you would like more information, you can visit their website at www.highlandmultimedia.com. From Antigonish, I'm Danny Harvey for Eastlink magazine.